Hello my dear kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places. Stay home, stay safe. This is your English teacher Himani Joshi from Ardent Progressive School. In our today's video, we are going to solve the exercises of chapter The Apostrophe. So kids, what we have learned in our previous video? We have learned that there are two uses of apostrophe. The first use is to make the words shorter. We can also say contracted forms. Okay. And the second way is to show the possession of the nouns. We use apostrophe, that what belongs to whom. Okay. It shows that something belongs to someone or something. So, we have already done exercises, a few exercises we have completed, exercise A and B. Now we will be solving C. Okay, so what is the caption here? First and foremost, you should read the caption. So rewrite these sentences removing the apostrophe. So here we have apostrophe, okay, and we have to remove it, okay, and we have to write the full forms. Okay, contracted forms are given. See here, these are the contracted forms, and what we have to do, we have to rewrite these sentences, and now this time we have to remove the apostrophe and write the full form. Okay, so what is the first question? I couldn't ride a bicycle. So here this one is the contracted form. Okay, so we have to remove it. I could not. I have told you that when we make the contracted form of not, what we do? We replace O and on that place we put apostrophe. So here we will do just opposite. Okay, reverse the step. So C-O-U-L-D, could not, N-O-T, not. Okay, short form, full form. So I could not ride a bicycle. Ride a bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. I could not ride a bicycle. Okay, now the next is the players don't eat junk food. So here we have to write the full form of don't. So here also we have an apostrophe T. So we know that its full form is not. Okay, so first write the players, P-L-A-Y-E-R-S, players do not eat junk food. Eat junk food. The players do not eat junk food. I hope you all are doing the exercises with me. So please open your book and write with me. Okay. So the players do not eat junk food. Okay. Now in the same manner, I didn't. So its full form is did not. I did not write, W-R-I-T-E, write a letter to my mom. To my mom. Full stop. Okay. It is must to put the full stop. Okay, and you have to write this in your book. Okay, and please do in good handwriting. Okay, he won't be able to stand over there. So we know that what is the full form of won't? Its full form is will not. He will not be able to stand, S-T-A-N-D, stand over there. T-H-E-R-E, there, full stop. Okay, so we have done 4. Now question number 5 is the thief stole my friend's scooter. So we know that here the scooter belongs to his friend. Okay, that the thief has stolen. Okay, so write it like this. The thief, and here it is the case of possession, that what belongs to whom. Okay, so the thief stole what? The scooter. Okay, the thief stole the scooter of my friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Okay, so what we do? First we write the thing, then we write the possessive noun afterward, and we join them with the help of. Okay, so the thief stole the scooter, my friend's scooter. So we will shift this here, the scooter of my friend. Okay, my friend's scooter means the scooter of my friend. Okay, so what was written afterwards? I have written at first, and the possessive noun I have shifted afterwards. Okay, so my gardener's name is Birju. So my gardener's name. So the name. Okay, the name. Then we join it using of. The name of my gardener. The name of my gardener, Gardener. The name of my gardener is Birju, Birju. And we know that the first letter of anybody's name we write in capital. Okay, so the name of my gardener's name, so we will write it at front, the name, then we join it by of. Okay, the name of my gardener's name, the name of my gardener. Okay, now the rich man's sons. So the rich man's sons is the sons of rich man. So here we will write the sons of rich man, R-I-C-H, rich man. The sons of rich man quarreled, Q-U-A-R-R-E-L-L-E-D, quarreled every time, T-I-M-E, time. Okay, so the rich man's sons, we can write the sons of rich man. Alright, now the mice's leader decided to bell the cat. So the mice's leader, so the leader of mice, the leader, L-E-A-D-E-R, leader, the leader of mice, the leader of mice. The mice's leader means the leader of mice decided, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided to bell the cat, to bell the cat. So in these 4 sentences, possessive nouns are given. Okay, means what belongs to whom. Okay, with nouns we use apostrophe S to show what belongs to whom. That is only called possession. Rewrite these sentences using the apostrophes. So in our previous exercise we were removing the apostrophe, but in this we have to add apostrophe. Okay, so the first question is, the name of my friend is Achin. Okay, so the name of my friend, where it is written of? Here. Okay, so it means we have to write the possessive noun of this much, the name of my friend, isn't it? So the name of my friend, so the name belongs to his or her friend. Okay, so what we will do, we will put apostrophe with friend. Okay, so my friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Where do we put apostrophe? On the line of the nearest longest letter. So here, my friend's name, the name of my friend, we can write my friend's name, N-A-M-E, name. Whose name? My friend's name. So the name Achin belongs to his or her friend. Okay, so my friend's name is Achin. is Achin. A-C-H-I-N. Achin. Okay. So the name of my friend's name. Okay. So we have written the possessive noun here to show the possession. We have put apostrophe S. Okay. So friend. It is a singular noun. With a singular noun we put apostrophe then S. Okay. So now the next is the lazy boy did not complete his homework. So we know that when of is given, then only we write the possessive form. So we don't have of here. So what is here? This. Did not. We can write the short form of did not. Okay. So first write the lazy boy. The lazy boy did not. What is the short form? First we write did. D-I-D, did. Then N. Put apostrophe on the place of O. Then T. Didn't. Okay. So when we make the short form of not, what we do? We remove O and put apostrophe. Okay. So the lazy boy didn't complete. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E. Complete his homework. His homework. H-O-M-E-W-O-R-K. Homework. So the lazy boy did not complete his homework. The lazy boy didn't complete his homework. Okay. So the first use of apostrophe is to show the possession. The second use is to make the short forms. The babies of a dog are called puppies. So here we have to change this much. The babies of a dog, because I know that babies belong to a dog. So here I will shift this much here. A dog. A dog's apostrophe here on the line of the nearest tallest letter. Dogs means that the babies belong to a dog. Okay. So a dog's babies. B-A-B-I-E-S. The babies of a dog. So we can write a dog's babies. Okay. A dog's babies are called puppies. Are called puppies. P-U-P-P-I-E-S. So the babies of a dog, we can write a dog's babies. Okay. Here it is a possessive noun. Here we are showing possession, that babies belong to a dog. Okay. The chief guest of the function was Mr. Smith. So we know that of is here. So the first way where we show the possessive noun. Okay. The chief guest of the function. So the chief guest belongs to the function. So we have to shift it here. The functions. F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. The functions apostrophe on the line of the nearest tallest letter. Then S. Means the chief guest belongs to the function. So the functions chief guest, G-U-E-S-T. Okay. The function's chief guest was Mr. Smith. S-M-I-T-H. Okay. The functions, we have shifted this much here. Okay. What is written after of, that only we shift at front. Okay. So the chief guest of the function. So it means the chief guest belongs to the function. So of the function. So here this is a possessive noun. Okay. So the function's chief guest was Mr. Smith. Okay. So we have shifted this possessive noun here. Okay. The function's chief guest. Alright. Now the next is the eyes of this old lady. So we know that whose eyes? This old lady's eyes. Okay. So shift this much here. This old lady's, L-A-D-Y, lady, then apostrophe S. The old lady's eyes. The old lady's eyes are weak. This old lady's eyes are weak. W-E-A-K, weak. So what we have done? We have shown the possession. We have shown that the eyes belong to this lady. Okay, so here it is showing possession. So when it shows possession, we use apostrophe and s. Okay, and with plural we put only apostrophe, and if s is already given, doesn't matter the word is a plural noun or singular noun, we put only apostrophe to show the possession, that what belongs to whom. It shows that something belongs to someone or something. I shall not go to the school tomorrow. So here we know that we have to write the contracted form, okay, short form. So we know that the short form of shall not is shan't. Okay, so how we write it? S-H-A-N apostrophe T. Okay, so I shan't go to the school tomorrow. I shan't go to the school. I shan't go to the school tomorrow. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Tomorrow. So I shan't go to the school tomorrow. So what we have done? We have written the contracted form of shall not, that is shan't, and rest of the part we have written as it is. That is what we have to do, isn't it? Rewrite these sentences using the apostrophe. You must not break the traffic rules. So we know that we can write the contracted form of must not. Okay, so let us rewrite it. You must, M-U-S-T, must, then N apostrophe T, must not. It's short form, M-U-S-T and apostrophe T. You must not break, B-R-E-A-K, break. You must not break the traffic rules. Traffic, T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic rules. You must not break the traffic rules. Okay, so we know that whenever not not is given, what we do, we remove O and put apostrophe. Next is the fox could not reach the grapes. So I know that the fox could not. So not is there. So first write could, then first write could, then N apostrophe T. Okay, couldn't reach, R-E-A-C-H, reach the grapes. Reach the grapes. The fox could not reach the grapes. So we have written the fox couldn't reach the grapes. Now I am a strong man. So we know that its short form is I apostrophe on this line, then am. Okay, I am. This is the short form of I am. I am a strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. I am a strong man, full stop. The legs of the chair are broken. So here off is given. So the legs belong to the chair. So what should we write? We have to write this possessive noun at first. The chair. The chair, C-H-A-I-R, chairs. Okay, so apostrophe S. The chairs, legs, L-E-G-S, legs, the chairs, legs are broken, B-R-O-K-E-N, broken, full stop. So we have done, we have completed the exercises of chapter the apostrophe. Okay, so I shan't go to the school tomorrow. You must not break the traffic rules. The fox couldn't reach the grapes. I am a strong man. The chairs legs are broken. So I think it is clear to you all that there are two uses of apostrophe. The first use is to write the contracted forms. You can also say the short forms. Okay. So, and the second rule is where we show the possessive nouns, that what belongs to whom, we write apostrophe s to show the possession with the noun. What is the short form of is not? How do we write is not?
ISN''T.
Very nice. So, isn't, we write is then n apostrophe t. Very nice. What is the short form of had not? HAD, had, NOT, not.
HAD'T.
Yes, very nice. We know that whenever not is given, we remove O and put apostrophe. So, HAD and apostrophe T. Very good. Now, tell me, how do we write the classes of Malini and Sheetal?
Malini's and Sheetal's classes.
Very nice. We know that here classes is given. Classes means Malini and Sheetal, they both have a different class. Okay. That's why classes is given. So in such a case, what we do? We put apostrophe s for the both nouns. Okay. So Malini's and Sheetal's classes. Okay. And before the name, we don't put th either. Okay. So Malini's and Sheetal's classes. If class is there, it means they both belong to a single class. In such a case, we do, what we do? We write apostrophe s to the last noun. Okay. So, suppose the class of Malini and Sheetal is given. Okay. So, what we do? We put apostrophe s with the last noun. So, Malini and Sheetal's class. But in this question, it is given the classes of Malini and Sheetal. It means that they both have a different class. So, Malini's and Sheetal's classes. Very good. I hope now the chapter is clear to you all. I request you all to go through both the videos again. Watch the videos carefully. Okay, on time. Complete your work on time. Okay, complete your work and please recheck if something is incomplete. Then let me know. I'll share the PDF with you all. Okay, so please complete your work on time. I know all of you are completing your work on time. Very nice. So the apostrophe chapter is also complete. Now in our next video we will study chapter essay. Okay, essay writing is also there in your book. You can see essay writing is there in your book. It is chapter number 17, essay writing. So essay writing we will do in our next video. Then your course will be completed. Okay, so please recheck if your work is incomplete. Again I am saying, please recheck if your work is incomplete. Let me know. Okay, don't leave your work pending. Alright, thank you for listening to me patiently. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.